VFS appointments are not easy to book. What you see is a group of students constantly giving updates to each other about VFS appointment slots in Mumbai. So many people want to move to Germany for their studies, and before the winter semester starts, this is bound to happen. Thankfully, waitlist slots were opened in the first week of July, and a lot of students actually booked their appointments. But as a student who wants to book the appointment now, what can you do? How can you improve your chances? Let's talk about it. On the VFS website, if you log in, log out too many times, it will rate limit you and you won't be able to log in for some time. That's why you have these unofficial groups where you find students who are also moving to Germany this year. You'll get updates on regular intervals if the slots are opened or not. I know this might feel futile and there is no 100% guarantee that the slot will be opened and you will get the notification, but being in the group might ease off some pressure and maybe you'll learn something. I've put all the links for groups and communities on WhatsApp in our Discord server, and if you are part of them, please post them there too. That being said, these are unofficial groups, so be careful of scammers. Make sure you have all the documents ready even before you book the appointment. You only have to submit the documents when you visit the VFS center for your appointment, but if you prepare everything in advance, there won't be any last minute rush. We have a free document checklist below which will help you organize everything, but the most important documents are your academic documents, admit letter from a German university, APS certificate, travel health insurance, motivation letter, and of course, for your VFS appointment, you need your blocked account with 11,208 euros for your first year of studies. All you need to do is open your blocked account, put the money in and get the proof from your blocked account provider that you have done everything. When you're doing this, you want a blocked account provider who's not only safe and secure, but also has an easy and online process for everything. And the only blocked account provider which ticks all of these boxes is Expatrio. We have been working with Expatrio for a long time and we recommend them to all the students who come to us. If you take Expatrio's value package, you get a 69 euro cashback on your blocked account setup fee, free incoming travel insurance which is mandatory for your visa and is worth up to 95 euros. You also get a cashback of up to 90 euros with the TK Flex health insurance. You will get a free digital international student identity card which is worth up to 15 euros. And you also get a free German bank account for instant blocked account payouts. With this, you can also get this debit card which you can use with apps like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Expatrio also has a scholarship for all the blocked account holders where you only have to submit a video answering the question, why are you passionate about the field of study you are pursuing in Germany? And if you win, you can win a scholarship of up to 12,000 euros. The first prize for the scholarship is 12,000 euros, second prize is 6,000, third prize is 3,000 euros. And for the winners from 4th to 10th place, you have prizes like 3 months of rent, a new laptop, German language lessons, etc. All you have to do is submit the video before 30th September, activate your blocked account and health insurance with Expatrio, and then the winners will be announced in November of this year when you are in Germany. All the information is in the description, so check it out. While you're trying to book an appointment, try to take care of these things. First, make sure your details like your name, address, passport details, APS certificate number are in some notes so that you can just copy paste them as soon as the slots are opened. Second, while paying, don't use credit cards or debit cards, but just use UPI because it's faster and involves less steps. Third, there are additional services which you can get while you book an appointment. You have the premium lounge service for around 2,700 rupees, the courier service as well as the SMS service. It's not mandatory to get these services, but depending on you, you can get them. And that's pretty much it. With VFS appointment slots, you kinda have to play fastest finger first to get them. If you have any other doubts, put them in the comments below, and the link to all the unofficial WhatsApp groups is in our Discord server. Go there and get them. And if you want to open your blocked account with Expatrio, go to the first link in the description.